Hi, this is Greg with Muscle Car Restorations. We've been doing a lot of work on our 70s Chevelle here. Been buttoning up a lot of little things, interior, and got the glass put in it. But a big day today, we're going to fire this thing up. Right now we got our ignition unhooked. We're going to turn it over, make sure we got oil pressure, and get gas up to the carburetor. Also going to check for any fuel leaks. Oil pressure, good here. Alright, looks like we got gas at the carburetor. Should start up. Yeah, everything looks good so far, no gas leaks. All we have left to do is maybe top off our fluids and check our ignition timing, and she should be good to test drive.